welcome to my kitchen. I'm not even gonna lie or brag, but I'm the next Gordon Ramsay. Today I'm making sweet potato casserole. Now there's a whole bunch of haters out there saying I can't cook, Chestnut can't cook, Chestnut can't do this, but here I am. I could simply be bringing little Hawaiian rolls or a little can of corn, but I'm here to give you guys a taste of goodness. We got some marshmallows right in here. We got some light brown sugar, pecans, pure vanilla. We got some cinnamon in here, forget the masher, and of course 3 pounds of holy sweet potatoes. I'm gonna start off by peeling these suckers, dicing them up, and then beginning the monster mash. You know what I'm saying? Bro, I just dropped the potato in the trash can 2 times, but don't tell. Alright, it'll still be good when I get done baking it, alright? Alright, I'm gonna try to cut these in nice cubes. I'll go to the next one. Ah, there we go. Now we're cooking. Shout out to Christy from the DC. Been watching her whip up the omelets. It really taught me a lot. Alright, maybe I should just freaking do this. Don't tell anyone, alright? 5-second rule. 5-second rule, no big deal. The one thing about sweet potatoes, you can eat them raw. What's up? Now I'm gonna dump these freshly cubed sweet potatoes into this bowl. See if these things are ready. Oh. The next step, the sweet potatoes with brown sugar. Dump the sucker in there. The butter. The cinnamon. Pure vanilla. Now it does say salt and pepper. I'm not doing that. It's my secret, you know. We start the mashing process. See that? That. This is the masterpiece so far. We got 25 minutes in the oven. After that, ready to serve. So, if you couldn't see, nobody ate it. It was pretty good though. It turned out pretty well. Overall, I was impressed. This is my first meal like this. That's a wrap for today. Stay tuned.